Avon jug full of jewelry, this tray, which is a set. I got this jewelry jar from Nicole on Depop. I'm gonna make sure to tag her right here. This is my 6th jar since I've moved to the United States half a year ago. And I have just been approved my green card. I am from China. I have been a university teacher, an artist, and obviously a jewelry lover. We will be moving houses soon. I will be decluttering my jewelry collection into jewelry jars that you will see on my future Depop listings. I am all green today. We've got green jars, to symbolize green card celebration. So let's get right into it. She gave me a little freebie bag, so let's start from there. Chamomile and spiced chai tea. I do like tea, so thank you very much. By the way, this side is keep. This side is not keep. Jewelry cleaning cloth. Oh, this is a very beautiful beaded chain. It's an Avon. It has a clasp. I can definitely layer it. Yes, thank you very much. Keep. We have a little dainty necklace in here. It's a necklace. It's stamped A. I don't know. Let me know. That's very nice. Thank you very much. I will keep. She also gave me a Leah Sophia waterfront set of 6 stretch. Oh, wow. A set of bracelets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bracelets. I do have very thin wrist. I will be giving them away or putting them into jewelry jars that I'm about to make. Let's get into this beautiful Avon jug, shall we? Let's start with the bangles on the outside. I believe they're Quasnate bangles. They are probably too big for me, but they're very beautiful. I will put them in a jar. Very beautiful beaded bracelet, multicolored, all kinds of tones in it, vintage, and it's actually small. It fits me. I'm gonna keep it on, actually. Oh, this is very mermaid core. It's got beautiful seashell imagery on it, and it's got green and blue. It is not stamped, but it does look vintage. Blue is my favorite color, but I also love green. I'm definitely gonna keep it. Let me put it on for now. Isn't that beautiful? Very happy so far with the freebies and everything that I have pulled out so far. Everything's quality and everything has a nice weight to it. Oh, we got a little bit of a cluster. Oh, I got one now. Oh my god, this is really nice. It's simple and it's also very beautiful. It's got a little mountain on it. Oh, I love this kind of stuff because you just end up wearing them much more. I love it. Thank you very much. Keep. Another bracelet. Oh, I love this. Look at the beautiful filigree and the beautiful blue beads, and check out the clasp. This is so beautiful. I really hope it fits. It's a little big, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it on. And if I decide not to wear them anymore, I will give them away, but I don't want to. I really don't want to. I love everything about it. It comes with matching earring. Oh my goodness. There's the match. I'm gonna put her on. Beautiful. I love everything in this jar so far. Everything is so classy and dainty and so layerable. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. It's got a beautiful flower. It's a drop necklace, and look at the details of this. It's so small but so beautiful, and look at the clasp. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I love all these. Oh, wait, this comes with matching necklace? This is absolutely beautiful, and it will sit right here. Oh my god, I'm speechless. This jar is so worth it. So worth it. Oh my god. I love necklaces of this length. I don't see a tag of it, but it's again definitely vintage. I'm gonna get more jars from you, Nicole. I'm definitely going to. Look at this cool toned, beautiful, detailed flowers. It's got weight to it. It's obviously vintage. It's got very cool toned green on it with white accents. I couldn't resist. Oh, we got a very, very nice teardrop shaped ornate earring. Let's give them a little moment. Very nice. After I come back from visiting China, I will be on the lookout for your jars all the time. Beautiful layered bracelet set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's hooked together and the tag says Kingsley Armel. Oh my god, this is actually really beautiful. Yeah, I'm keeping. And the beads feel really cool on my skin. With my good luck, I made this one with my good luck bracelet. This is so packed with goodies, y'all. This is another beautiful beaded necklace. I really like this with black t-shirts, something that's a little bit more outdoorsy. This is whimsical and a little bit more forest fairy. Beautiful. We have a beautiful beaded bracelet and it actually fits me, but I'm not sure if I will actually wear it. They seem like plastic beads, but they're very beautiful. Knot keep. Most of my knot keeps are actually bangles and bracelets because these two, if they fit me, I will definitely keep. But this one, I just don't think I will wear it a lot. This too shall pass. It's got some Lord of the Rings references. Very cool, half silver toned, half rhinestone with 2 rhinestones in the middle, heart drop pendant. I know I'm gonna keep this one, and on the side it says, this too shall pass. I love the chain too. Yes, keep. Oh, we got another pair of 2-toned hoop earrings. I love silver and black, and I love hoop earrings, and they're very vintage. I'm definitely gonna keep them. I saw this necklace. Let's just take a look at her. It's 2 fish. And you know what? Fish is a really, really good sign in Chinese culture. Fish is about having surplus, having abundance. So it's a Pisces pendant. But for me, for a Chinese person, fish already means something. I will keep. And that is the jug. And let's just take a look at how beautiful this Avon jug is. I am keeping this jug forever. I don't have nails because I played the piano, I'm sorry. And let's move on to the tray, which is also very beautiful.